Now, I want you to imagine what if you can earn up to $400 per hour by simply using this new app and it gives you PayPal money. I mean, how is that? Okay, here is exactly how it works. This absolutely free site will allow you to earn $16 again and again for an unlimited amount of times, no matter where you're coming from. If you want to earn even more money without doing anything, then stick around to the end of this video because I have a huge bonus to show you this. And welcome to the channel where you teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. So this is the site we will be using today in order to get paid. This website is called dailyuploads.net. It's a site I know most of you have never heard about before, so let me explain how it works. Basically, it's similar to the likes of a Blue Chip and others. The PC, whenever someone downloads a file, upload it here. Whenever someone tries to download one of your files, first see a bunch of ads before they can download the files. Of course, the ad revenue is split between yourself and the website. However, there is one big difference that makes this website stand out from the crowd, and this one, he's a lot more money per 1,000 downloads than other sites. Read more. The great thing about this site is that when you upload those files, you don't have to promote them on social media or whatever in order to get paid. This website does it for you. But as I said in the beginning, I have a huge bonus to drastically increase the amount of traffic. You won't get far more money. Now, how much money you get paid exactly? For all information relating to payment, you can check out by clicking on To Make Money. Right up here on this page, you can see that the minimum payout is $25, which is a bit of a downside, I must say, but it still isn't too much money either. You can also see that they offered various payment options like Skrill, Web Money and so on. We do have quite a bit of ways to make sure you get paid. Now check this out, you can get paid up to $16 per 1,000 downloads, and while that might not seem like a lot, it actually is. You can see that by going over some other similar platforms like uploadforevery.com and comparing the prices. You can see that this website will pay you at most $7 per 1,000 downloads, so Daily Uploads Wilderness more than twice as much money for the same amount of downloads, which is a big difference, and that's one of the main reasons I'm showing you with this website. Now back on this page, you can see that you have a referral system in place, and this is a great way to make some extra cash and using this website. Another big reason why I'm showing you this is the amount of traffic it gets. Since the number of people that visit the site in a month, it greatly impacts how much money you will be getting paid. To see the exact stats, you can come over to somewhererob.com. This website will give you information like how many people visit the website a month. From which countries do most people visit? When I search for daily uploads, I found that 1.500000 people come on that platform every single month, which is a very decent amount of people. Think about this for a second. 10,000 people downloading the file uploaded would earn up to $160, and that is just 0.6% of the people who visit this site on a monthly basis. So as you can see, you can earn some very nice man easily with this website. Before we proceed, if you were enjoying this video so far, thank you to subscribe to the channel, drop a line and leave a comment down below. Anyways, in order to start making money with daily uploads, you need to register by clicking on sign up in the upper right corner, and then enter your username, email address, your password, and finally a payment information. When you're done, it just click on I'm Not a Robot incident, and you will now want to log into your brand new account. No, there is one big question left unanswered, and that is what? The uploading. Well, what you can do is go over to sites like 3PL or Downloads and find files like tutorials, ebooks and others that contains all information that will actually benefit the person downloading the file, which in turn it will lead to more downloads. I personally prefer uploading files from a site called pxels.com. On this platform you can find royalty-free images and videos that you can download and use with no copyright infringement and with no attribution required to anyone. Uploading some photos or videos from here is a very good idea because people will get some value from them. They are loyalty-free, so they can use them however they want to, and Impactful offers some amazing looking photos and videos. The thing is that not many people know about pixels, which is also very important as well. For example, when you can search for his speech videos, since it not only did they look awesome but also people love them and more than one to download them. Now you don't have to search for a beach per SE, nor do you have to search for videos as well. Searching for a landscape or beautiful landscape is a great idea, and it's just a side note. If you want to upload photos on daily uploads, then make sure you download multiples of them, 45 at least, and then group them together into a folder and upload that entire folder, because daily uploads requires the minimum size of the file to be 1 megabyte anyways. When you do find something that you like, all you need to do is open up the video or photo like this at the beach, which just looks stunning, and click on free download in the upper right corner in order to download it to your PC for free. To upload the file, what you need to do on the site is right here. Then find the file on your PC and open it up, then click Start Upload right here. Just wait until it up close, and when it does you'll be presented with the length of that file. As I said, this website and will get you traffic and people will download your file no matter what, but I highly recommend you share this link with other people so you get as many downloads as possible. Sharing in various Facebook groups, for example, is a good idea. Twitter, Instagram, and all social media platforms in general are excellent places to get traffic, so you can also start sharing it on there so you will get more people to see your link and the possibility for them to download files from the late 50s posted. So that's very easy and simple strategy for today. It's as simple as compiling photos and videos from the recommended sites I mentioned earlier. Get those files for free and upload them on dailyuploads.net and just let it start by giving new traffic, and people will download your files. Will be making money again and again every time someone downloads files. I hope you got value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like to this video and do subscribe to the channel with the notification on so you'll be updated every time there's a new upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope